Kazi Nazrul Islam was a great poet, was born on May 24, 1899 in Purulia, Bangla. He received religious education in his childhood and learned to write poetry by working with a local theatre group, called it Leto. Nazrul joined the British India Army during World War I and later became a journalist in Kolkata. His famous poem, "Bidrohi", speaks about fighting against injustice and has inspired many people. He wrote more than 4,000 songs, known as Nazrul Giti. In 1942, he became ill, lost his voice. In 1972, in Bangladesh government brought him to their country, and in 1976, he became a citizen of Bangladesh. Kazi Nazrul Islam passed away on August 29, 1976, but he is still alive in the heart of people as the rebel poet. Thank you very much. I hope this audio is going to help you to improve